everyone, it's Jenna from Farmer John's Greenhouse, and back to school season is upon us. So whether you're a student or a parent, Farmer John's is here to give you a few plants that are great for back to school because they're easy to take care of and also easy to maintain. So let's get into it. Here are a few plants that are great for the back to school season, and there's a bonus plant if you check out our blog, and I'll link that right down below. Our first plant for today is a snake plant. Now, a snake plant is the ideal choice for beginner gardeners because it's easy to take care of and difficult to kill. Allow the soil to dry out completely between watering, so lean on the side of underwatering because overwatering can harm this plant. Snake plants thrive on neglect, so don't worry if you get too caught up in school to take care of it. Only water when the soil feels dry. These plants can go months without watering in the winter and weeks without watering in the summer. Our next school-friendly plant is a spider plant. Spider plants are known to be very adaptable and easy to grow. These plants tolerate a lot of neglect, so that makes them perfect for ones without a green thumb. They prefer bright, indirect light. Consider using distilled water or rainwater to water these plants. Now, you always want to be cautious when bringing a plant into a home with pets, but according to the ASPCA, spider plants are non-toxic to both cats and dogs. They're moderately fast-growing plants, which is exciting for new plant parents. Our last plant is the Peperomia plant. These plants are wonderful to grow indoors with a variety of foliage. Each plant is so unique that no matter how many of these plants you own, no two will look exactly alike. Most varieties prefer medium to bright indirect light but can tolerate low light. Allow the soil to dry out in between waterings. These tend to be smaller and slower growing plants, so they're ideal in small spaces like a dorm room. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Comment below which one is your favorite houseplant that you're going to bring with you to the back to school season. And if you have any questions or comments, just comment them down below or give us a call at Farmer John's Greenhouse. And I hope to see you in store soon. Bye!